Kashi tarik nailur ahaja arpoi gede sngi baka sorkar kala ailad ek skul bakin pleno hadien bala Khang kumba bnai eiei namar jinglynshop ka khlam COVID-19 Haba RiKhasi channel kala leit ban jurip ya bontli ki skul nongbah shillong Kiba bon ki skul kimpa treh Plie Omla bantip ikadaw balei bakin treh ban Plie namar babon kimpa treh ban kren hakhmat kilat thai khobor Kidan ki Pynpaw bakin sngo sngai ban Plie ki skul namar biki kindon babu da ka sorkar ki Khang perking Kham tam ke jing IT kai ki nohi kai bar ke jing test ki tu ki nohi kai ki bam padep IT ka dan ru ki Pynpaw ke jing e baka shitam man Plie school la da baro ki khna school kim wan renti hagani ke jo ka sngi ba Plie ki school Hindra ki katu kani ki jaka nong kendong kumari boy district kidan ki school ki bla Plie hagaba ki khenna kila wansha school ka RiKhasi channel kala yor banya kren bekini ki khenna bar kumjuru bar ki bor penya school bar ki nohi kai halor kani ki jingple biang ki school da ka sorkar
kalian jongi ko mi kena school tai so kuben kadei ungila koi den sa school sai sen ban ngai kumle ko sorkar bakala in kristom mo kani bakala yala ni class school ban koi sa school te bangin pat dan self hadu kata in hab ni ban ong ban bud ta protocol di sorkar kajing yo nam jangi tingi yo sibon lagi poisa school ban online class te ni sobang ko poisa school mentasi ni sokmen ni kadei ko blog ko tam ni kai kan yo kuliah dia kembang ilong mensua te kajing yo nam kat kabun ini kelas school namar apor bangin mong school dimdayo tan long ban belum mencoba konsentrasi je kulero di Mynta da long school kate long alis ngilala ini nomor konsentrasi belum mencoba
habu bilang ni si kadei di pol beladap na kadau jom jinja jom le klam ba ki khna babon ba kiladu sibun bijing bukan namar ba kene ko online class wala takaladon makanaro ni hanang pendong hane ngiron sibun bijing namar ba babon ba ta benukon sap simdan ke mobile bala begitu ke mobile makenaru kena dua kena kata kambiang te kalau ke jindu bakau wala begitu ke online class yang tayro dan dia minta kesini da ke jing kaulat yang sorkar ngelayo ban Plie biang ke school berarti kena ke lawan school ban ngelayo ban bataliti ta perkom ke ba kambiang te nak kalian jungiru misu kenap misu kemen sibun ban ni sengu sibun yak sorkar bakal kaulat ini bagi lala ban Plie biang ke school.
So I'm most privileged to make the students to understand that after this reopening of the school, teachers and students, we were eagerly waiting for this day. And I'm being the principal of the school, I'm very happy that we are able to open with so much of enthusiastic spirit. And during this lockdown time, children are not able to exercise their talents even in the learning capacity. So during this today, I could see the children are very happy to come back to the school with so much of energy in them, and I could say that children returning to the school is one of the most privileged time or lucky time or blessed one that they are able to resume their studies. And I could see, I went around to the classes after the assembly. I could see their brightness on their faces, and some of them they expressed that sister, we were longing to come back to school to resume our studies, and especially the class 10 and class 12 students. They were eagerly waiting for this day to come back and to learn again what was the loss.
And the message I would like to give to all the students is, when you come to the school, focus first and maintain the SOPs which have been given by the government. And I also like to thank the government that they have given a chance to come back to the school and to be in the school and learn rather than being in the home and doing the online classes. Online classes, it's like just 10% used to get the knowledge, but then when we come to the school, listen to the teachers and get the full knowledge with the practicals. So it's really good to be back in the school.